everyone, this is Nadi from Fundsindia.com. In this video, I would like to talk about SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Let us understand what is SIP. SIP, it is an automated investment plan that helps you invest a fixed amount into mutual funds at regular intervals. Your SIP amount can be as low as ₹1000 per month. The monthly outgo part is pretty similar how your money is invested regularly in a recurring deposit. It's convenient as you can give your bank a standing instruction to debit the amount every month. While the frequency is up to you, the monthly SIPs are generally the most convenient and popular as they can be aligned with your salary cycle. Now, how does it work? SIPs have become very popular among Indian mutual fund investors as it helps to invest in a disciplined manner and you don't need to worry about the market volatility or timing the market. Since SIPs keep investing in funds at regular intervals, they buy mutual fund units for you at different prices. Therefore, SIPs help you average cost across market cycles. This means you sometimes buy when the unit prices are high, when the market is going up, and sometimes you buy when the unit prices are low, when the market is going down. This is how SIP effectively averages your cost. Let's take a simple example. Assume that you are investing ₹1000 per month and you got 10 units. The NAV price will be 100. And the next month the NAV prices are going down because market is going down. Let's say NAV price is 80. Now you will be buying 12.5 units with the same amount of investment. This is how your SIP effectively averages your cost. Please remember that SIP is a method of investing and not an investment by itself. Thus, the performance of the SIP will depend on performance of the underlying asset class and fund in which you are running your SIP. Let's see how to invest. You can download Fundsindia app and choose any date between 1 to 28 and you can kickstart your mutual fund investments via SIP. If you have any doubts, please comment below. App link is already given in the description. And if you are searching for tax-saving ELSS investments, then click on the I button to know more about ELSS. Hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more market updates and mutual fund updates. This is Nadeem signing off from Fundsindia. We'll catch up in the next informative video. Bye bye.